We're moving up the column now, and this is the inner tilt shaft upper bearing, and we've got our missing bearing that came in the mail, and we got it in place. Putting some red grease on it helps hold the bearings in place and also lubes it up nicely. I'm pushing it down with a screwdriver to get it in place. Once in place, we're gonna put this race down on top of it and put it into place with our screwdriver. Now that we got the bearing in place, we're going to put our key buzzer in place. This is the sometimes irritating device that lets you know you left your key in your ignition when the door goes open. So you'll see this little plastic spring-loaded device that goes on it. That's merely a locking assembly that keeps it into place. And then it's going to go right in that small hole below the Phillips screw. So we slide it in there, and the key has to be out of the ignition for this to work. So we're just double checking that the spring is properly in place, and we're just going to slide it right in. And it slides in pretty easy with your finger. Just slide it into place and push her down until it snaps a bit, and you're all good. So there you have it. We are getting ready now for the upper assemblies to start going in next.